Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this quick and easy but also delicious shrimp scampi. Let's get started. Here I have some shrimp already washed and clean. I have some white wine. I have some freshly chopped garlic. I have lemon pepper, salt, black pepper and parsley. I have fresh dry parsley. I have some butter. I have some parmesan cheese, and of course I have a lemon, and over here I have my spaghetti. Now I'm just going to go ahead and combine the salt and the pepper and the lemon pepper, and I'm just going to sprinkle on about half of the mixture over my shrimp, give it a good toss and set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now over here I have some water boiling, and I'm going to salt my water and I'm going to cook my pasta until al dente, because I'm going to add it back to the sauce when the scampi is ready. We don't want to cook it too much because it will be mushy, but of course you could cook yours to your liking. Here I'm adding some olive oil to a pot, and I'm going to go ahead and add some butter as well. Now when you're cooking the shrimp, you want to make sure that your heat is on medium to low, because we do not want our garlic to burn, or we do not want to burn our herbs that we are using. So once my butter is nice and melted, I'm just going to go ahead and add my minced garlic, and of course you want to make sure that your garlic is fresh. To get that nice garlicky taste, you want to make sure that you mince your garlic yourself. And of course everything I'm using, I will list that down below so you could go ahead and check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimps to my pot, and I'm going to spread these out and allow them to cook on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, and as you can see, my garlic is nice and not burnt because I'm cooking this on medium. The moment you crank your heat up, the moment you have a disgustingly taste burnt garlic, and that's not appetizing, and we don't want that. Now we're going to go ahead and add some more flavor. So to this, I'm just going to go ahead and zest in my lemon. I'm just going to zest the entire lemon. I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. And you could smell that lovely fragrance from the lemon, and it smelled amazing. Now to this, I'm going to add some white wine. Of course, if you're not into white wine, you could use some fish stock, some chicken stock, whatever you want to use, or you could just use some water. Or white wine is ideal for this recipe. And I'm going to give this a good mix and allow this to simmer a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon juice. And at this point, the shrimp scampi is basically ready. You could serve this up with some baguette, or you could just go ahead and do what I'm doing by adding some spaghetti. Now I'm going to go ahead, add my spaghetti, add my Parmesan cheese, and give this a good toss. And the shrimp scampi is that easy to make, guys. You could try this one at home and let me know down in the comment section what you think about it. Now I'm just going to go ahead, give this a good toss. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh parsley for garnish, and that fresh herby taste, because if you don't want, you want to make sure that you still have your flavors going on. And that's it. My noodle is nice and coated in that nice sauce, and it's basically ready. You want to serve this up and enjoy. Serve it the way you like it. And of course, as I said before, it's so delicious, quick, easy to make. You could try this recipe and enjoy. Now guys, if you like this recipe, don't leave without showing me some love. Click the like button, share it, leave me a comment down below if you have any question. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye bye.